What is going on, everyone? This is Jeremy here from Mad Vape Statesville. Today we're doing a review on a pretty cool device. It is the Stick Prince by Smoke. So, everybody knows we love Smoke stuff here, and they just keep coming out with all this cool stuff, and they keep doing it. You know, they get this. They've made a few different stick devices, but this one's definitely the coolest one so far. I thought that the X8 was going to be the coolest one so far out of the stick series, but because it had the top airflow and all that stuff, and we've done a review on that one, I'm pretty sure. But this one, it's cooler. It doesn't have the top airflow, but that's okay, because what you get with it is you get an amazing tank with amazing flavor, a little bit higher wattage. You get these cool drip tips on there. You get this nice bubble glass right out of the box. Holds a lot of juice. I mean, it's beautiful. It's got this nice groove on the bottom, so you actually feel like you have something. And on top of that, you get this cool button right here, right? Now, if you've seen my TFV12 Prince video, I have already gone over a lot of this stuff. But yeah, you got this button right here where you just hold it, and then you just spin the top open like you would a normal TFV8, TFV12, Baby Beast, and you know, most of the smoke tanks. So it just swings open, just like that. And it closes normal. You don't have to hold the button or anything for that. So you just kind of lock it into place and it's ready to go. It's got a USB, micro USB, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries or anything like that. You just got to plug it in every night to make sure you're getting it charged throughout the day. And I mean, you're set. It comes with a couple coils. You're going to get 2 of the M4s. Now the M4s are just a basic coil. It's just one hole. But it's a it's either 1.5 or 2.5. I can't ever remember. Oh, this is a 1.7. Excuse me, 0.17. So you're gonna get a nice smooth vape out of this. I mean, you're probably gonna get about 50 watts out of it. What does it say? 40 to 60 on here? Yeah. So you're gonna get about a 50 watt vape on here. Most of the ones out of that range kind of have that same hitting style. So also in the box, you're gonna get your charger. You're gonna get your warranty. You're gonna get all that stuff. You're gonna get your extra gaskets and everything. I don't know if I said your charger, but you get all that in the kit. So if you don't like the red rings that comes with there, look at that. Get you some black rings to be playing like everybody else. Just kidding. But you get all that in your instructions and everything, an extra coil. So overall, pretty killer kit. 3,000 mAh battery. I didn't say that, but that's pretty impressive. The all the old sticks, they've all had about that same battery life. But I mean, it's a decent amount of battery life from what you're going to be doing and the amount you're going to be vaping with this stick. You're not going to need much more than that. So all in all, Stick Prince kit, definitely Mad Vapes Statesville approved. We're going to have these right now. Unfortunately, we only have the black with the red top on it, but they have more colors. These things are hot right now. They're hot, and I was only able to get the black ones, but I was able to get some. So guys, come down there while there still are a couple. I only was able to order 3. Next coming Monday, I'm gonna order even more of them, hopefully in different colors. So I definitely hope to see some of you guys out, and everyone have a wonderful night.